Hello, my loves. Welcome back to Music and Beauty TV. It's me, Miss Ruby. I just want to thank you so much for subscribing to this channel and for hitting that bell so you can receive notifications. We're on our way to 100K and we've got a lot to cover along the way. So let's jump right in. So Grandma, say hi to the people.
Hi, everybody. Nice day.
Nice day.
Very warm outside.
So what we're doing to your hair is we're going to be putting this in it. This is called a lace closure. So all of your hair is going to be put away, but it's going to look like your natural hair.
Oh, okay.
You know?
Now, can you dye that hair?
Yes. Now, did you used to wear weaves? I forgot what you told me about.
Yes, I used to wear weaves 24 hours around the clock. But now everything's a little bit different than wearing wigs. Now you have the net and everything that you put over your hair. So everything has advanced.
Yes.
And I'm advancing with it.
How old are you, Grandma?
I'm 85. A young 85.
Yes, you are.
And you know you're going to have to take all this out probably.
Okay.
The last time I took it out, I kind of clipped my hair.
Oh, okay.
I took out a big piece. I took out
You
about
did?
that much. Yeah.
Oh my gosh. Am I going
Now-
to see it?
I don't know if it's on this side, but I think it's curled out.
You said you used to wear weaves all the time.
But I didn't have the net on
Oh.
it. Back then, they weren't using that
Oh, you did say that.
because I used to do it myself. Because I watched the beauticians. And I watched every move that they made and how they did it.
You got any tips on raising kids?
No.
No?
Because every child is different. Because the way that I might have raised mine, you cannot raise children at this day because we have advanced so much.
Yeah.
And there is so much for babies to learn. Whereas a long time ago, the babies didn't have all of that. So all you do is just pray and ask the Lord to help you make the right decision.
Yeah, I know that one thing I think you told me before is that you just try not to stress.
So I don't stress, period. Life is too short for me sitting around here stressing and worrying about something that I cannot take care of. And if it gets that bad, I'll tell the Lord, you up all night. So you worry about it, and I'm going to go to sleep.
Why is that so true, though?
I know. I'm not paranoid about anything, but if I was, I would ask the Lord to help me to overcome that.
Right.
And then with a constant prayer every day, all of a sudden it'll tell you, hey, I don't do that anymore. Oh, yeah. Oh, you did do that, huh, Lord? Oh, okay. And once you ask Him, then take the next step. Just start thanking. Don't ask Him anymore. Just say, thank you, Lord, for calming me down. You know what I needed.
Yeah.
And just do it every day. And you don't have to be What about these older people that are prayer warriors? They can't even bend down. Oh, I would dare try to kneel down and pray. Because I get tickled in my own self trying to get back up. That's what I never could understand. People that's been married together 30, 40, 50 years end up getting a divorce. Why? I don't understand that. If you don't have the love for each other, just say, okay, we're going to share this house. You go into that room, I'm into this room. You continue to pay bills and everything. Go your way and I go my way.
And maybe by doing that, eventually you'll come back around.
Yeah.
Because I look at it like, I don't expect to always feel the feelings of adoration.
No, you don't.
Because that's like, you love your kids. You don't always like them.
That's true.
You know,
They
but
get
you
up a
can-
certain age and start acting.
So you share your life with a husband or a wife. I don't expect to always feel like, ooh, I'm excited to be around you all the time.
Oh no, because you got to distance yourself from a little bit.
That's what I told TJ. I said, I'm not with divorce, but I will, like you said, distance myself.
Yeah.
I said, I will go and stay with my mom for a month if I have to.
Yeah.
You know what I'm saying? Like,
Yeah, get yourself together and then don't let other people come in and put different thoughts in your head, because that's your house. You put good money into that house, and don't you let no other woman come in there and take over your things that you done worked hard for. Don't go back with your friends, your sister, your mama, your grandma, anybody tell you how to run your marriage. Don't take their advice. Don't even take mine. Because I'm not in that situation. I'm on the outside looking in. You might pick up on a few things that somebody is telling you, but if somebody in your friends or your family or me telling you, girl, don't you take that. You need it. No, girl, don't just stop them right then and there. Just say, wait a minute. I am not leaving. I will work it out. Thank you for your information, but I don't want to hear it anymore.
Okay, so for this part, I'm gonna need your help. Sit that right here and just, put your hands on it. Let me know if it starts to feel too tight. Oh, so how do you feel about the hairstyles and stuff today?
Oh, I love it.
You like it?
Mm-hmm. At first, when I started wearing it natural, I wasn't too cool about it, but it's better than pressing it and flat ironing, which I couldn't do. So that's the main reason I started just wearing my hair. And the creams and different things, the twist cream gel, it made my hair hard. But I've always liked keeping my hair up. I won't even go out in public with my hair looking like Aunt Mama. Well, I guess I'm way different. I always cared about how I looked when I went out in public, because you know how they talk about it so bad. I may not have the best this, and I may not stepped out of a beauty shop, but at least I'm going out looking decent.
Right. So you, with all five, you have 5 kids, right?
Mm-hmm.
With all 5 of your kids, you use cloth diapers.
Oh, because they didn't have.
So there was no way, when you were raising kids, you couldn't work, huh? Yeah, because there's no way I'm cleaning cloth diapers and working. Sorry, that's a job in and of itself.
And then you had to make sure you washed the diapers separate. You couldn't wash them with your clothes. Okay, what type of hair is this?
The name of the hair supplier is Wiggins Hair Supply, or Wiggins Hair. Peruvian human hair.
Oh, yes.
Use deep wave. You feel like that's too long for you?
No. It's so simple.
It is.
Very simple.
Yeah. I like it too.
Now, can you wash this?
Mm-hmm. So how does your hair feel so far?
It feels good. Actually, it feels lighter than the last time you did it.
Oh, really?
Mm-hmm. I like the part.
Yeah.
Yeah. It looks so natural.
Mm-hmm. I have to pluck out some of the hairs just to try to make it look a little bit more natural.
Mm.
Put it on top of your head just to help flatten this out some. Let me know if it feels too hot.
Ironing out my brains. Okay. That's what they need. Now I can think better.
Straighten you out real quick.
Yeah. That's what I needed. Thanks a lot. Make good jokes. Make the best of things. Life is much better. Mm-hmm.
So how you feeling about your hair?
Very good. I like the way it feels. It feels so light.
So now you can officially tell people that you got
A video.
a lace closure. She said a video.